know if I can see comments. Oh, there we go. Hey, Miss Harris. Happy Monday. Hi, guys. Just going to wait for a couple more people to get on. I know I shouldn't have did you guys like that. Good morning, Key. I know I shouldn't have did you guys like that and left that that status, because since I did, like, I've literally gotten like hundreds of inboxes and people asking me, you know, the questions that people are asking in the comments. And if I wasn't answering anybody in the comments, I'm not going to answer you in an inbox. So, you know, just because you message me doesn't mean that I'm going to answer your question. I just want to let you guys know that, because at the end of the day, I can tell you guys some things that are going on with the bill, and I'll give you a brief thing that's going on. But at the end of the day, the bill didn't pass yet. So we've been through this in the last like 7 months. We've gotten this far and been excited and, you know, thought that this was going to happen, and then boom, it didn't pass. So like, I didn't want to like just say everything, and Lisa you know, doesn't want to do the breakdown, and then I do a live about it, because we didn't want to get everybody excited. But Lisa just told me that they will be they are supposed to post the bill. They haven't even posted this one. Like, before they've posted the bill that they were going to vote on, and we could read it. They don't even have that posted yet. So we can actually read the bill and see exactly what it says. Who's going to be eligible? Are they going to take child support? When is the back pay is there going to be back pay for unemployment? Like, all these questions people are asking, and unfortunately, we can't answer right now because the bill's not out. We can speculate and look at all these websites, and this one says this and this says that, but at the end of the day, we just don't know because there's no bill. The main reason I want to talk about this is because I don't know who is spreading this rumor, and I know it's a bunch of people. And I've actually posted in my tax professional groups, like, yo, if you don't know, this is what it is. But if you see this, stop. So I'm getting a lot of messages about this. The stimulus you got back in March and April, and the stimulus you're about to get, is free. It's free and clear. No matter if you got too much money, no matter if you got, you know, whatever. You do not have to pay that money back. They are not taking it out of your taxes. They're not taking it out of your refund. You don't have to pay that back. If, please, all you guys watching, if you see anybody post that you have to pay that refund back, cut it out. Like, seriously, cut it out. Tell them, stop lying. It's not true. Because it's just like, it's like one little thing somebody posts, it's like, it goes crazy. Everybody is like, you got to pay that money back. So they about to take $3,200 from your refund. No, they're not. They're not. You're good. Stop lying to people. Like, stop it. So I will give you one little thing. I mean, most of us know what the bill kind of consists of. We're supposed to get $600 each, $600 for kids. We don't know about the dependents yet, the older dependents. We don't know about that yet. And then it's supposed to be $300 extra for unemployment for 11 weeks. And the PUA extended. So basically, like, all the programs that are going on right now, rental assistance, all that, supposed to be extended for like 11 weeks. Now, the thing that I was excited about is they are supposed to be doing something with CTC. I be getting hyped. be getting excited because I be getting mad. Like, this is my passion. So when I see somebody like lying or spreading a rumor, like, no, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're telling the truth over here. This is what we're doing. Always take tax advice from someone sitting in their car. Oh, Kathy, Karen. Should I call you Karen? I think you're in the wrong group, honey. I think you should not be watching this. You must be new. Anyways, so, one of the great things that, is in this bill is that, the child tax credit. Like, we know that it was raised to $2,000 with $1,400 of it being refundable. With this bill, it's supposed to be $2,000. The whole thing will be refundable for everybody. So that'll be amazing if that happens. And I did say that, we did see at one point somewhere that it might even go up to $3,000 a kid. So if you have 2 kids, that's $6,000 right there. Boom. But we don't know. So that's why I didn't want to say. I do want to say it now because, just to give you guys some kind of like hope, because at this point in time, like, we're all going through something, and the holidays are here. Mothers are stressed out. Are they taking student loans with this bill? So, I don't know about that. I do know that they actually, Lisa, I think so. That was in the bill about they are going to defer payments. So when they defer payments, if they defer it, that means that they should not take your taxes. Girl, ain't none of us going to get a refund if they ask for a vaccine, because I ain't taking it. I'll tell you that. Not happening. My best friend was just reading an article that there was some state that just stopped administering the vaccines because I think like 10 people started getting very bad side effects. Yes, Kelsey, I definitely will. This is just a really quick live because, I just wanted to address a few things. But I will be going live later on today as soon as this bill gets released and me and Lisa read it. That's it. We will be posting, she will post a printout of it, and I will be going to, do a live about it so we can do a question, Q&A. That way it'll be broken down for you. Like last time, I think it was like 800 and some pages. Me, Kat, and Lisa literally sat there and read the whole damn bill for you guys. Unemployment isn't EIC. No, if you get unemployment, if you only get unemployment, you cannot get EIC or CTC. Christina, absolutely. Yeah, I have lots of clients in Pennsylvania. Absolutely. No, Tiffany, it hasn't been approved yet. I'm just going to answer some questions. Thank you, Jennifer. I appreciate it. Yeah, some people don't know who I am. They're not used to me, so they have their own, they have their own ideas. Good for them. I have... So, Teresa, the people on unemployment, what they're trying to do is they're going to extend all the programs for 11 weeks and add $300 a week to your unemployment. That's what they're going to be doing. Absolutely, Christina. You keep telling me that and we never do it. We got to do it. Oh, Lucinda, you're going to be good. You'll be good. What if you were on unemployment until it ran out? So it all depends. Kelsey, did you work at all in 2020? That's what it depends on. I don't know if they're backdating, Miss Rhonda. I don't know. I know the last bill I read, they were not going to backdate the PUA. So do not quote me on that. We don't know. No, Jessica, it doesn't matter if you work or if you don't work. It'll be $600 for both of you. Carla, yes, it's not just for PUA unemployment. It's for anybody, any type of unemployment you're on, it will be $300. So Autumn, what happens is, so this is what I was trying to tell people. So there's a new form this year for 2020 taxes. It's on the 1040 and it's the worksheet 8. And what that form is it actually, you put in how much money you got or how much money you didn't get for the stimulus. And if it does not add up to what your household is, they will add that money on your return. So if you're missing money, they will add it. But again, if you had an overpayment, they will not take any money from your refund. That stimulus and this stimulus is not, you do not have to pay it back. It's free and clear money. I don't know where that rumor is coming from. It's a big, bad rumor. It's not true. You do not have to pay that back. So if you see anybody posting that, you yell at them and you say, Christina said you don't have to pay that back. You playing yourself. Go ahead, wait till you do your taxes. And whoever doing your taxes, they probably taking money from you. That's why. So, Brittany, it all depends what you took out why you took out from the 401k. Everybody has to pay taxes still on the 401k, 10%. It's always counted as income, always, no matter what. The only thing with the CARES Act is you won't have to pay the penalty. Now, it all depends what you get. If you get a 7 on that 1099-R, you're going to have to pay that penalty. So it all depends how they wrote it down. Christy, yes. I have seen people get the holiday loan with only unemployment, but you've had to have had taxes taken out, because you're only going to get a refund if you had taxes taken out. If you didn't get taxes taken out, you're not getting a refund, period. You're not going to get one. So Autumn, if you get approved, they will owe you from the first time that you applied for that PUA. Miss Randall, they are extending the PUA, they're extending regular unemployment, they're extending anything, all the programs they will be extending for 11 weeks. So it would be 11 weeks. Teresa, message me. We can do an estimate, absolutely. Danielle, I don't know how your state works with the PUA. Maybe you need a second year. You'd have to talk to them. You'd have to contact your unemployment. Jessica, yes, you do get $600. You will be getting $600 for each kid as well. We just don't know if they are excluding the college and 17 and older kids and other dependents. So we don't know if they're going to exclude them still like the last one. We don't know if it's going to be exactly like the last one or if they're going to make some changes this year. We don't know. Thank you, Robin. I hope you have an excellent Christmas too. I hope everybody does. All right, I'm getting... Yes, honey, I saw that you had the baby. I'm so excited. Yes. So, you had the baby in November. When we file your taxes this year, you will get that money for her from the first stimulus, and they're going to add money for the second stimulus right in your taxes. So you're going to look forward to that, because that will be in your refund. Jennifer, we won't know, but the what they're saying is by December 31st. Again, guys, last 3 questions, you guys all asked the same thing. They really want to get the payments out by December 31st. So that's what they're hoping for. Now, I do want to advise everybody, especially you people that do TurboTax and Tax Act and all those free sites, and all those people that go to tax preparers that only give advances once the IRS opens. This bill will delay tax season. So if you want to advance, you might want to go somewhere else this year. Because like TurboTax and Tax Act and all those other free sites and a lot of preparers do not do pre-IRS opening advances. And I'm telling IRS, it's going to delay tax season, I guarantee you. Misty, we don't know about the adult dependents yet. Rita, we don't know about changing info yet. We have no idea. Desiree, that's something that we're going to have to find out once it happens. I honestly do not know. I don't, honestly. I'm hoping. I would think that's the point. Marissa, I hope nobody goes to H&R Block. Please, if you go to H&R Block or Jackson Hewitt, come see me or Lisa. Like, I guarantee you, we charge way less, with better education, more experience, and a better experience in general, better customer service. Now H&R Block, they're ripoff. They're like a highway ripoff. No. And plus, you don't even have to go anywhere. You stay in your house. You don't have to worry about COVID. Lily, yes, you'll get it the same way you got the first one. Yeah, Jay, they're supposed to be extended 11 weeks. So Desiree, I don't have a set price. It goes by the form. So like each form has a price. How it works is, my average price is about $250 to $350. So the less prices, the less forms you have, the lower it's going to be. I can tell you that you see everything and have to read and sign every single document before anything is submitted. So when you do come to me, I like that. When you do come to me and you have an issue of the price or anything else, you can always talk to me about it and we can work it out before anything is submitted. So if you ever have an issue, you can come to me, we can talk about it and see what the issue is. So don't think that, nothing is off the table. Kizzy, absolutely. Mississippi, I believe they have a heating credit down there on your state tax. I do every single state. I'm very, very educated in your state taxes, and the extra credits that a lot of the state taxes have. Yeah. I do advances. They start January 2nd. I work with Republic Bank and they have literally an 88% approval rate. You can take your fees, your fees can be paid up front or they can be taken out of your refund. Miss Horton, I am in Connecticut, but I am 100% virtual, so anybody can file with me. Everything is secure, uploaded, everything. I have hundreds of reviews. I'm on the BBB. I'm on the IRS website for preparer lookup. Yeah, so I have all my ducks in a row. Even though I'm sitting in my car telling y'all. We got a lot of snow too. I know a lot of you guys don't live by the snow. So look at all this snow. Look at all this snow. We just had a bad snowstorm. Andrea, I don't know if you have to reapply. I don't know how your state's gonna do it. But hopefully I would keep claiming. Keep trying to file a claim every week, and hopefully you don't have to file a new claim. So we're literally just going to have to see how it works. Can you file your taxes? What do you mean, Miss Powell? Can you file your taxes? What does that mean, hon? And that's so funny because with she said I could do the taxes in the car. Guys, Lisa can post our client group in the comments. She can post it and I can pin it. Definitely join my client group. I have a client group with all my clients in it, so it'll be way easier. I do lives in there about everybody else, and I let you know like when you can start filing, what do you have to do. I put the link up there for the questionnaire and for you to upload all your documents. So it's a really, really easy process. Absolutely key. And if you weren't approved last year for the full amount, I'll tell you about 91% you will be approved for a higher amount this year. So if you didn't get your first stimulus, when you file your taxes, you will be filing form 1040 worksheet 8, and you will let them know that you didn't get the stimulus, and they will add it to your taxes. Now, the thing is, I don't want people to sit there and say, oh, I'm about to get some money, girl. I'm going to tell them I ain't getting no money. Don't do that. Don't do that, because the IRS already knows who got a check and who didn't. So do not do that. They know how much money you got. It's already on your 2020 transcript. Don't try to think that you're going to scam the IRS, because you're not going to do it. And for anybody that did that, because I'm going to keep it real with you, I already know what was going on. People was hitting other people up saying, girl, did you get that free grant money? All you got to do is put da-da-da-da-da-da, and you could get $10,000, girl. Look, I just got mine. I'm going to help you do yours, blah, blah, blah. You got to claim that money. If you got that grant money, you have to claim that money on your taxes as income. Don't ask me what's going to happen when you're not showing that you have 10 employees and you have a business on your taxes. But I can tell you, you have to claim that EIDL grant money. And if you don't, you're going to be in a wage review, because again, the IRS already has that information, just like if you had a W-2. Thanks, Jay. You have a great holiday too. Caroline, yes, it'll be based off the 2019 info. And if your household has changed, like if you added a kid or whatever the case may be, when you file your 2020 taxes, you can get whatever part of the stimulus you did not get. Andrea, the vote is supposed to happen today. The last bill for the CARES Act, it didn't get approved till 11 o'clock at night. So they're saying today, so that's what we're hoping for. Thanks, Cena. You know I got you. Aw, thanks, Tatum. I love my client. I swear I got the best clients. So, Lakeisha, I'm going to break that myth real quick. So, what you're thinking about is 3 years to claim income, and let me tell you how that works. So it only works if you do not file a tax return at all. You cannot just say, oh, you know what? This year, I'm just going to claim this much income and this much and this much, and I'm going to leave all this other out so I can get a nice refund. No, that's not how that works. How it works is either you don't claim a refund and you have 3 years to file it, or you claim refund and you have to claim everything that you earned that year. So that's a big, big myth that a lot of people think happens, is that, oh no, I have 3 years to claim this W-2. I don't have to claim it. No, that's how people end up in a wage review. I know a lot of you guys were in the group last year. You guys have been with us for a long time, and I hope you guys learned your lesson from last year when I told you guys, do not file. Don't file. I want to feel like TikTok and hit the phone. Do not file with your last pay stub. We saw there are still, to this day, hundreds of people that didn't get their taxes. Don't do it. It's not worth it. You can wait an extra week or a couple days or however long it takes you to get your W-2s. Don't do it. And if you're going to a preparer, that is okay or allows you to file your taxes with a W-2, get away from them. Because at the end of the day, what's going to happen is eventually I can guarantee they're doing a lot of other unethical things. And when their office gets audited, all their clients are going to get audited too. So stay away from that type of, you don't need that mess. Let's just get the money that we're owed, and it is what it is. Michelina, that will be a huge effect on your taxes. Now, how I can help you with that is, if you have any kind of proof, or if you go to the casino, you can get a printout of how much money you spent gambling, because you can write that off, the money that you actually lost with gambling. Okay, so, you know, Guinevere, I think that's your name. Guinevere, I think. Miss Nelson. Jackson Hewitt allows you to file with your W-2 for 7 years with your last pay stub. I just want to let you know, just because you've been getting away with something doesn't mean that it's legal or it's correct. So at the end of the day, they could have pulled your W-2 from ADP website, but just because you've been getting away with something does not make it correct. At the end of the day, I know people that are married and they file head of household, and they've been doing it for years. Because they've been doing it for years without getting caught, they think that it's okay, and it's not okay. Same with people that claim other people's kids. They've been doing it for 2 years, so they think it's okay. Same with people that are claiming fake businesses because they've gotten away with it. Eventually, it's going to catch up to you, because 90% of audits and reviews, a lot of them, I can't say 90%, but a lot of them are random. So, and then that one time that if your W-2 matches what's on your taxes, if your last pay stub matches what's on your taxes, I guarantee you Jackson Hewitt is just pulling your W-2. That's what's happening. You're not filing actually with your last pay stub. Now, because most people's last pay stub and their W-2 is not the same. It's not. And it doesn't include health insurance. It doesn't include daycare assistance. It doesn't include 401k. It doesn't include anything. So you're going to leave off a lot of stuff because you don't have your W-2. And most of the time, and even last year, we saw there was literally people that only had like $5 difference, and they got caught in a wage review. You don't want to chance it. Why even chance it? I don't understand. Why chance it? Mariah, this is live and it's going to be recorded, and I'm actually about to end, but I went through all of that. So you can definitely go over this video and watch it, or just wait till the other video that I post later on today when the actual bill passes, so we can do a Q&A about it. If you married and filed joint, how do that affect you when you have kids? Miss Adams, I don't understand. Filing married actually helps a lot of people. The other Miss Adams, if you got unemployment the whole year, did you get taxes taken out? If you got taxes taken out, you definitely should get your taxes back. If you didn't get taxes taken out, you're not going to get anything anyways. I just moved from one state to another. How will I do that? How will you do what, Rita? I don't understand the question. Laquita, we don't know yet if there's going to be back pay. Everything that I'm reading is there not going to be any back pay, that it's supposed to start like December 31st. Oh, absolutely, Michelle. I'm here to help all you guys. I want all you guys to be educated. Lakeisha, it's always better, to me, it all depends. Like, you'd have to do it both ways. A lot of the times it is better to file joint, because if you don't file joint, you cannot get EIC credit. So it just all depends on your household situation, your income. It all depends. So what I usually like to do is do it both ways for my clients to see what works out better for them. Aisha, that's actually been a big problem with a lot of people because of the new W-4 and how it is, how it works. So a lot of we don't know, Crystal, we don't know about the child support. We have to wait till the bill comes out. So we honestly don't know. Our group name is, hi little squirrel. Squirrel just came up to me. The group name, I have two groups. So one of the group names is Tax Refund Craziness 2021. And the other group is B.E.M Tax Clients. So back to the W-4. So what happened is this new W-4, because there's no more exemptions, it basically goes by your filing status, because that's all we have for a deduction now. So technically what they're trying to do is let you have more money during the year and then a lower refund at the end of the year. So that way you get that refund money throughout the year instead of a one big check. If you do want a bigger refund at the end of the year, what you actually have to do is take out additional money on additional withholding on your W-4. That's how that would work. So Mariah, with like the questions like that, that's more something that we can talk about personally instead of, on here. Hey, Tiffany. I know, right, Loranda? The group name is Hi Squirrel. Yeah, so if you want to change that, Aisha, especially for next year, because this is how it's going to be at least until 2025. After 2025, we don't know if it's going to stay this way with no exemptions and that, just the deduction of your filing status, or if it's going to go back to having exemptions where you claim, 3, 4, 0 exemptions on your W-4, and that's what taxes get taken out, and that's how, taxes work. So we just don't know what's going to happen. We have to wait till 2025. But this is how it's going to be until then. So if you're not getting taxes taken out at your job and you want a bigger refund and not a bigger check, a weekly check, then you need to do additional withholding. And if you're having an issue of how much additional withholding you can have, the IRS has a calculator and we can figure it out from there. Kelly and Brandy, we do not know about the dependents yet because the bill has not passed and they have not posted the new bill yet. So we don't know how it's worded. We have to wait until the bill comes out. So I will be going live again as soon as the bill's out and we read it. I'll be going live and we can answer all those questions. Aisha, you won't owe. So you won't owe. That's the thing. So you will not owe. You will have a smaller refund, but you won't owe. That's it, it is worked out that way. Yeah. So, well, that was a lot longer than I thought. I was just gonna do a quick thing to let everybody know that no, you don't have to pay the stimulus back. So tell everybody, tell a friend, and hopefully we should all see each other in a couple hours, and we'll see how this bill goes. So until then, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you later.